Understanding the cycles, downloads, and options on an LG dryer. Your LG dryer brings a whole new world of laundry possibilities. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about standard cycles, downloadable specialty cycles, and options to elevate your laundry care and preserve your clothes. Note that not all cycles covered here are available on all LG dryers. And to protect your garments, not every dryness level, temperature, or option is available with every cycle. Also note that the default time will automatically adjust on sensor dry cycles based on load size and dampness level. The normal cycle is for work clothes, corduroys, and similar fabrics. Its default dry level is normal, the default temperature is medium, and the default time is 41 minutes. Heavy duty is for jeans and heavyweight items. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is high, and the default time is 54 minutes. Bedding is for comforters, pillows, and sheets. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is medium, and the default time is 55 minutes. Towels is for denims, towels, and heavy cottons. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is medium-high, and the default time is 55 minutes. Perm press is for permanent press and synthetic items. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is low, and the default time is 32 minutes. Delicates is for lingerie, sheets, and blouses. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is low, and the default time is 28 minutes. Speed dry is for small loads with short drying times. The default dry level is off, the default temperature is high, and the default time is 25 minutes. Air dry is for items that require heat-free drying, such as plastics or rubber. The default dry level is off, the default temperature is off, and the default time is 30 minutes. Steam sanitary is for comforters, bedding, and children's clothing. The default dry level is off, the default temperature is high, and the default time is 31 minutes. Steam fresh is for comforters, shirts, and trousers, except especially delicate fabrics. The default dry level is off, the default temperature is medium-high, and the default time is 10 minutes. Antibacterial is not for use with delicate fabrics. The default dry level is very, the default temperature is high, and the default time is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Small load is only for normal and towel-type fabrics and a maximum load weight of 3 pounds. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is high, and the default time is 50 minutes. Jumbo dry is for comforters, pillows, and sheets. The default dry level is normal, the default temperature is medium, and the default time is 1 hour and 25 minutes. For Wi-Fi enabled LG dryers, the LG ThinQ app allows you to download new and specialized cycles that are not included on your dryer's standard cycles. You can download and use the cycles you want whenever necessary. Before using the download cycle feature, make sure it is available on your dryer and that your wireless router is powered on. Also make sure the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone and your dryer is connected to the app and registered. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. On the home screen, select the dryer on which you want to store the downloaded cycle. Then tap the cycle type at the top. Scroll down to the Download Cycle section and tap Edit. Select the cycle you want in the menu and touch the Download to Dryer button. Once the downloading process is finished, you can find the newly downloaded cycle on the screen and use it on the ThinQ app or the dryer itself. Now, let's go over the downloadable cycles. Bedding/curtains effectively dries bedding and curtains. Blanket Refresh warms blankets and makes them feel fluffy. Blankets completely dries bulky blankets. Denim is for drying jeans. Deodorization helps reduce odors in clothes that do not require washing. Easy ironing leaves clothes slightly damp, so they are ready to iron dry. Econo Dry Small Load is energy efficient for a small load of laundry 3 pounds or less. Freshen Up helps reduce odors and remove light wrinkles. Full Load Dry is optimized to dry a full load of laundry properly. Gym Clothes dries sportswear and workout clothes. Half Load Dry is optimized to dry a half load of laundry properly. Kids Clothes uses high temperatures to sanitize kids' clothing. Kids Gym Clothes dries children's cotton sportswear. Lingerie is designed specifically to dry lingerie and other delicate items. Low Temp Dry reduces energy consumption while drying the load. Overnight Dry is an energy-efficient cycle for drying a small load overnight. Rainy Day dries clothes that have been dampened by rain or snow. Socks is designed specifically to dry socks. Static Reduce uses steam to reduce static in dry clothes. Super Dry is the default cycle to thoroughly dry cotton clothes. The dry level is vary for better drying performance. Ultra Delicate uses low heat to carefully dry delicate items like lingerie and blouses. Wrinkle Prevention prevents wrinkles caused by clothes sitting in the dryer by tumbling clothes without heat after the cycle is complete until the door is opened or the power is turned off. As we mentioned earlier, to protect your garments, not every option is available with every drying cycle. Let's go over them. Antibacterial reduces bacteria by using a higher temperature during the drying cycle. This option can only be used on the heavy-duty and normal cycles. It should not be used on delicate fabrics. On some models, this is a cycle rather than an option. Easy Iron assists in providing properly dampened fabrics for ironing, which can save time and make ironing easier. This option injects steam into the dryer late in the cycle, causing the clothing to come out slightly damp. This feature will be active approximately 8 to 13 minutes of the cycle. The drum will turn off for 3 seconds of every minute when the option is active. Eco Hybrid helps to reduce the energy consumption on Low Temp Dry Plus, Cotton/Normal, Heavy Duty, and Towel cycles by using heat pump air recirculating technology. Using the Eco Hybrid option will increase energy savings, but will also increase the drying time. Using Eco Hybrid with the Low Temp Dry Plus cycle will provide the maximum energy savings, but the dry times will also be the longest. Note that Eco Hybrid is not available on all models. Please refer to your product owner's manual for more information. More time/less time buttons can be used to add or reduce the drying time of a time dry cycle in 1-minute increments. Damp Dry Signal is activated by pressing the Damp Dry Signal button. When enabled, the dryer signals when the load is approximately 80% dry. This allows you to remove faster drying, lightweight items or items that you would like to iron or hang while still slightly damp. Drum light will illuminate the drum when the dryer is turned on. The light automatically turns off when the door is closed and the cycle starts. Wrinkle Care tumbles the load periodically for up to 3 hours after the selected cycle or until the door is opened. This is helpful in preventing wrinkles when you are unable to remove items from the dryer immediately. Child Lock is used to disable the controls. This feature can prevent children from changing cycles or operating the machine. Note that it does not lock the lid or door. Once the child lock is set, it must be deactivated before any controls, other than the power button, can be used. Custom Program, or PGM Save, allows you to store a customized drying cycle for future use. Energy Saver helps to reduce energy consumption in the normal cycle depending on the load size. When the Energy Saver option is selected, the cycle begins with an air dry portion and the drying time is increased. Turbo Steam helps refresh fabrics and reduce wrinkles in half the time of other steam settings. Smart Grid reduces energy costs from drying clothes by avoiding peak usage periods, with information supplied by your local electric company. If your utility company has equipped your home with smart grid technology, you will need to contact the utility company for information regarding the smart grid features. Wi-Fi Connect/Remote Start will allow you to start the connection process in order to connect your unit to your home Wi-Fi network. The Remote Start will allow you to use a smartphone to control the dryer remotely or check to see how much time is left in the cycle. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your dryer and its many capabilities. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.